Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello, welcome to Shulini TV, where we get you the latest weekly news bulletins from Shulini University. I'm Ranika, and these are the news headlines. Huge response to singing and radio jockey contest. Over 200 schools to participate in the annual inter-school quiz. Patent filed for a human-powered coin and corpse separator. Virtual painting exhibition cum competition on the unveil. Now, the news in details. The hunt for University's Tansen and Best Radio Jockey from Freshers revealed amazing talent. Let us hear from Arzu what more she can tell about it.
Yes, Ranika. Shulini University's music club Ragram, in collaboration with Chatterbox, organized a virtual competition for Tansen Ki Khoj and Shulini's Best Radio Jockey among freshers. Tanya Purwal of Management Department emerged as winner of Tansen Ki Khoj title. Shubhangi Padhi from BTech Biotech and Shaina Rana from BCom were declared first and second runner-up respectively. Here's a glimpse of Tanya's talent.
दुखन लागी है माँ तेरे अखियाँ, दुखन लागी है माँ तेरे अखियाँ, मेरे लिए जागी है तू, मेरे लिए जागी है तू, सारी सारी रतियाँ मेरी निंदिया ते।
Wasn't that amazing? Tanya, incidentally, is the first female winner of Tansen Ki Khoj contest. Now, here's a list of winners from Shulini's Best Radio Jockey contest. R.L. Kostha Prakash from BTech Biotech bagged the first prize for Shulini's Best Radio Jockey competition for his entertaining commentary. Arjama Mukhopadhyay from BTech Biotech was declared the first runner-up, followed by Rohit Uttam from BJMC for the category of Best Entertainer. Priyanshi Datta from BTech Biotech won the top honors for Best Voice. Now here is an excerpt from Kostha Prakash's commentary.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और आपका दोस्त अजय कौस्तुभ एंड वेलकम टू द सेगमेंट ये तुम्हारी मेरी बातें, जहां पे हम आपके अच्छे बुरे या एम्बैरेसिंग मेमोरीज ओपनली शेयर करने वाले हैं. सो यू नो दैट फीलिंग जब आपको बहुत अर्जेंटली टॉयलेट जाना होता है बट यू हैव टू होल्ड इट. यू आर लाइक अ वॉरियर इन बैटल. यू कांट लेट योर गार्ड डाउन बिकॉज यू कांट पुट योर पैंट्स डाउन. तो आज मैं अपनी केमिस्ट्री टीचर के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ. इमेजिन एन ओल्ड ग्रैनी विद दोस क्यूट स्पेक्स एंड दैट क्लासिक ओल्ड बन, दैट क्यूटनेस. Imagine a granny just opposite to that. That's her. वो अपने बन में चॉपस्टिक घुसेड़ के रहती है so that she can eat up our brains like noodles. एक दिन मैं अपने बायो क्लास से वापस आया and I saw everyone was running around here and there packing their bags, duster, chalk सब डेस्क में छुपा रहे हैं, कबर्ड में छुपा रहे हैं. टाइम टेबल देखा तो पता चला कि उनका पीरियड है.
Congratulations to all the winners and the participants. And now over to Mansi, who has some details on Curiosity, the annual inter-school quiz competition, which is around the corner.
Yes, Ronika. Shulini University is shortly going to organize its annual inter-school quiz series for students of classes 11th and 12th. Around 200 schools from across the country are going to participate in the competition, in which only one participant is allowed from each school. We also interviewed Mrs. Shikha Sood, Assistant Director Outreach, for details.
Because it's going to be a very exciting and a big event. So as many schools they'll participate, it will be a bigger event for us.
All right, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you also tell us about the prizes and all that would be given?
Oh yes, the first prize is rupees 15,000. The first prize is 15,000. Then it is the first runner-up is 10,000, and second runner-up gets rupees 5,000 as cash prizes. And each and every participant at different rounds will also get a certificate.
All right, ma'am. So, ma'am, it seems really very interesting. And
Oh yes, we are very excited, and I'm sure it will be a very interesting, exciting event for all of us.
ma'am, thank you so much for your information.
Thank you, Mansi.
It certainly promises to be an interesting and tough competition. May the best team win.
Of course, Mansi, may the best team win. Now, moving on to our next story. This is corn season, and fields across Himachal and other parts of the country are full of lush green maize plants. A major problem for the villagers is to separate the dried corn from the kernels. An easy and cheap solution is in sight. Bhuvnesh has more details.
Thanks, Ronika. Yes, a team of mechanical engineering department of university has come out with a solution to separate corn from kernel by using standing bicycle. Pedaling it would generate enough power to run a motor attached rollers with teeth to take out corns. Mr. Sushil Kumar, assistant professor who is heading the team which has filed a patent, said the device would cost just about rupees 15,000 to rupees 20,000 when it is manufactured in large amount. Other members of team, all students are Akash Sharma, Himani Bhatti, Shivani Sharma and Sadhana Minch.
Isn't that a great news? Well, yes. Let's hope for the best. And now, Rishabh will tell us about the virtual exhibition to be launched by the Arts Club of the university.
Satrangi Strokes, the university's Art and Craft Club, has launched the virtual painting exhibition cum competition in the honor of the well-known artist M.F. Hussain. Krishna Ayush, a PhD scholar who is leading this effort, says that the categories include folk, modern, abstract, sketching, and whatever the artists would like to do. The entries would be judged by an independent panel. September 30 is the last day of sending entries. For any queries, contact Sarthak Bhardwaj 8580441697 and Abhishek Singh 799911333837.
This brings us to our entertainment segment, for which we have chosen this video from Pragya.
इश्क है क्या ये किसको पता ये इश्क है क्या सबको पता ये प्रेम नगर अनजान नगर साजन का घर क्या किसको खबर छोटी सी उम्र ये लंबा सफर ये इश्क है क्या ये किसको पता ये दर्द है या दर्दों की दवा ये कोई सनम या आप खुदा ये कोई सनम या आप खुदा फूलों का गुलशन इश्क कांटों का दामन इश्क फूलों का गुलशन इश्क इश्क कांटों का दामन इश्क इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो मुझसे मीठा इश्क इश्क इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क मुझसे मीठा इश्क इश्क इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क
Wow, what an amazing dance it was. If you want to get a chance to showcase your talent, then wait not. Send in your videos to WhatsApp 9880 or you can mail us on newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com. Do not let your talent be hidden. Let it come out. Do share it with us. And now, last but not the least, RJ Ruchika will tell us what is up on Radio Shulini this week.
Hello lovelies, here's Ruchika with list of shows for this week. So this week's shows are going to be Punjabi Junction with RJ Rahul, Chit Chat with RJ Dheeraj, and yeah, there will be short video uploaded on our YouTube channel Radio Shulini, comedy show with RJ Rohit. And let me tell you that RJ Rohit also won Best Entertainer Award at Shulini University's Best RJ competition. So stay tuned, do watch and follow us on Instagram too, Shulini TV. Bye bye, stay tuned and stay safe.
That's all for this week. Signing off with the positive energy, and we all will be back with the next news bulletin next Friday. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, stay safe, take care, and bye.
Make the ground shake.